the flood and fossil room yet, and these are ammonites that people have either given us or we found, or we purchased a few. Now an ammonite is a creature that looks like this, and it almost looks like an octopus. Now we have some others over there that's the same kind of animal, but it's a straight shell instead of circular. Now real quick, some of these, this one came from up near Lake Wilson. This came from Morocco. This came from Morocco. This is from eastern Kansas. This is from down around Midlothian, Texas, south of Dallas. And this came from Wyoming. A couple gave that to me. But we will look at some other things. Now on the shelf below this, it's just some petrified wood. And I'm sorry, I do not know. Well, the minerals that would have replaced the wood and the grain in the wood, if you know your minerals real good, you can tell by what color it is what mineral actually fossilized the wood. So you can look at those.